Stop scrolling if you're feeling that crushing guilt. You've counted carbs, you've done the cardio, and yet the scale won't budge. You feel tired and your clothes don't fit. Now stop. That feeling isn't a lack of willpower. It's a sign you have a hidden energy drain in your body. Every diet in the world will fail if you ignore this drain. Today I'm revealing the #1 metabolic upgrade you need to permanently switch on your body's fat-burning power. You're not trying to lose weight. You're trying to fix your battery life. Imagine your body is a hybrid car. It has a gas tank, fat, and a battery, sugar. The little engines that decide which one to use are your mitochondria. When these engines are old, dirty, or weak, your car runs only on the quick, dirty battery, sugar. It gets lazy, leaving the fat stored up forever. This is the real reason your weight is stuck. Traditional stimulants try to pedal your car faster, making you crash later. We need a fundamental upgrade. This is where Mitochondrial comes in. Mitochondrial is engineered not as a stimulant, but as fuel for your cellular engines. It supports a process called mitochondrial biogenesis, which essentially means giving you a new, cleaner, high-performance set of engines. This metabolic upgrade is driven by 3 core components. First, l-carnitine. This powerful amino acid is the fat fairy. Its job is crucial. It physically grabs stored fat and drives it directly into the mitochondria to be burned. Without enough l-carnitine, fat stays stuck outside the engine. Second, coenzyme Q10, CoQ10. CoQ10 is the spark plug inside the engine. It ensures that when L-carnitine brings the fat in, the mitochondria can efficiently turn it into pure, usable energy, ATP, preventing fatigue. And third, alpha-lipoic acid, ALA. This acts like the internal anti-corrosion spray, cleaning up the cellular environment and protecting your new engines from damage, guaranteeing long-term metabolic health. I used to feel that sluggishness every afternoon. Now that energy is consistent. It wasn't about eating less. It was about my body finally being able to use the fuel I gave it. Mitochondrial is the difference between struggling to light a wet match and flicking a high-powered electric switch. It doesn't make you hyper, it makes you efficient. If you are ready to stop dieting and start upgrading your metabolism, this is your solution. Mitochondrial has no harsh jitters, no crash, and comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. You risk nothing but losing the chance to access your discounted metabolic upgrade. The team at Mitochondrial has reserved a special introductory offer for my viewers that you can only access through the link below. Don't waste another week fighting your body's energy drain. Click the link in the description now and get started on your metabolic upgrade today. Click that link and I'll see you in the next video.